You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filter that you can find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 2 screws holding the cover under the glove box. Unclip the cover under the glove box by pulling it forward and then down. Once the cover has been removed, unclip the glove box light from the cover. Remove the electrical connector from the cigarette lighter. Using a socket wrench and a T15 Torx socket, unscrew the 2 screws holding the flange cover. Remove the cover. Then remove the filter. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. There's now a new generation of filters on the market. Perflux has developed Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filters, which filter out virus-sized particles and offer 50 times the protection of traditional cabin filters. The choice is yours. Put the filter back in place. Pay attention to the direction of the arrows. They should point out towards the front of the vehicle. Put the cover back on. Then screw the 2 retaining screws back in. Reconnect the electrical connector. Clip the pilot light back onto the cover. Put the cover under the glove box compartment back on. To do this, make sure the 2 tabs at the rear of the cover are properly secured in their slots. Then clip the front of the cover back on. Then screw the 2 retaining screws back in. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.